This is 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube tutorial. Keep the center white facing upwards and make white cross. Now the white cross was made. After that, we'll have to make correction of weight on the top layer. For that, we'll have to use the hide and seek formula. Align it and take it back. Hide it, bring it down, align it and take it up. Here, this weight is in the up. So bring it down, take it away, and take it away, take it away, take it away. Then bring this weights down, align it and take it up. Then we'll have to make one more weight correction, corner correction. Then take it away, bring it down, align it, take it up. So now all weights were. Now we'll have to make top two center pieces. For this we'll have to make M dash, B dash and M. Then followed by B dash, M dash, B and M. Now we will have to use this formula R dash, B and R only once, followed by two formulas B, R dash, B dash, R and B dash, L dash, B and L. This we will have to keep repeating till we get the alignment of the top layer. That means the top layer must get aligned on four sides. Blue side all three must be corrected. Red side all three must be corrected. This white you'll have to take it to the green side. So center green and bottom green. If you watch on a center green and bottom green, take this to the opposite side, bring it back, align it. Now the green is aligned. Same way this white, orange, middle orange and bottom orange, you will have to keep it in a cross. Then you take it away, bring this one down, align it and make it. So now orange is corrected. This is what you will have to do on all four sides. Now the correction of middle layer. For that you will have to take non-yellow piece in the bottom and align it in the to the same color. The red is there, red you will have to align it, and this piece must go there. This red piece must go to the yellow, the middle side. So take it away, bring it down, bring it up, take it up, take it away, bring it down, align it and make it all right. Now this piece has come here. Now look for any other non-yellow bottom piece, middle bottom. There is no non-yellow middle bottom. There is one piece in the red and red and blue is there. That piece will have to bring it down. Then for that same formula we'll have to use it. Now this red Now you look at this red and blue piece has come down. What was on the left edge, it has come down. So now we'll have to align it to the blue. Then this bottom red and middle red, that must go to the red side. This must. For that, we'll have to take this bottom blue and red to the orange side. Left down. This is the formula I have given there. So now this one layer centerpiece is corrected, or two layer and three layer or four layer center is corrected. Now we will have to make yellow cross. For that we will have to use this formula. F U R U dash R dash and F dash. This is the formula you will have to use. Here one thing you'll have to I mean, observe this. Now the yellow piece must be kept facing upwards for this. This formula we will have to keep repeating till you get yellow cross. That is the first stage. Correct in the yellow side. So now you see this yellow cross has come. Yellow cross has come. Then you always will have to keep this L. This is for making all correction of all yellow pieces. This is the formula we'll have to use. R, U, R dash, U, R, U, U, R dash. This formula we'll have to keep repeating. And we'll have to keep this top layer when you get a fish shaped fish, head of the fish and tail of the fish. So head of the fish must be always on the bottom left side. See, once again this fish has come. Fish shape has come. Fish head and fish tail. Same formula we'll have to keep repeating it till you get correction of all for all yellow on the top side. Now you see this yellow has come. Now we have come to the final two algorithms. So we'll have to correct the final top layer. One side, yeah, blue is already got corrected, and we'll have to, for this we'll have to use two formula. First formula is this: R dash F R dash, then back right, back right, back right, back right, then right up, right up. So now you got a only middle is corrected, on the edges are not corrected. For that we'll have to use this. Now I have got to the final algorithm. For this algorithm, we'll have to keep this corrected side, back side. Then you do this one. Now you do front right, up right, right down, left down, front right, left up, right up, front right, front right. So now it is got corrected. Thank you.